This is chapter 4, exercise 5, and the assignment was to do this two spirals, and they're exactly the same, but there's a little slightly difference in the way they turn, their angles. So in order to do this, I first imported the turtle module and set the background color to violet. And my turtle named Tess, and her pen size is 3. Her color is red, and I wanted Tess to do this as fast as she can, so it wouldn't take this a lot of time. So the first function I wrote was to move Tess from the center of the screen, from here to here. So the first thing I did was to put her pen up and move backward 200 units. Then to put her pen down exactly what I needed, which is this part. Then the next thing I did, I wrote a function for Tess to do the spiral. So before I wrote this, I brought the function in, which I wrote before, then put it in here. Then I just put variables in here so I could do them later and decide what I want in here. So the first thing I did was for I in range n, the number of times she turns, and she does the square, and to test to move a said point forward, and to turn left at an angle A. So every time Tess turns, she increases her size by 4. So the first size of Tess was 2, so every time she turns, she increases her size by 4. Then she turns left every time 90 degrees, and I want everything repeated 70 times, so she could do like 70 almost square spirals. And she did this. And the next to do this, first I wanted Tess to move from where she stopped right doing this one, which was right here, and to move to here. So I ordered Tess to put her pen up, then turn right 180 degrees, then to move forward 250 points. Then again she turned right 90 degrees, then move forward 100 points. Then she come back right here and she puts her pen down. And to start the spiral, I said this was exactly the same, but a slight different in their angle. So this is exactly what I did before, but my function name was spiral 2. And the difference on the angle, I changed. The first one was 90 degrees, and right now it's 80 degrees just to do the second spiral. Yeah, then I run the code, which gave me exactly this, the 2 spirals.